Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how we can take 48 megapixel photos with your Huawei P60 Pro. So to do this you have to open the camera application, and next you have to go for the more modes and select high resolution mode. Right now let's take a photo, for example, of this button. As you can see here, we are able to switch between 48 megapixel and also 48 megapixel with the AI, so you can decide which one you want to get. I'm gonna get this AI to get ultra clarity, catch focus, and then just tap on the shutter and hold your phone steady. Next, when you take a look for the preview of this photo, as you can see, we can find a lot of details, and we can also zoom in very close. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.